For me. For me.
Yes.
Yes, it's for me. It's for me.
Who is this?
Chat.
Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Oh. Isn't this cute?
Yes.
It is so adorable. Yes, right. Hi, Fibs.
Mama, and the fifth that I heard at school.
Tell them the hearing.
Fifth I heard at school.
Tell them what happened.
And he fell.
Look at them and tell them.
I fell and
You were playing with your friend and you fell.
Yes.
Look at his foot. When I pick him up, I saw this on his foot. I'm like, what happened? He said, Mama, I fell. I fell all by myself. And he make sure he knows no one didn't push me. I fell all by myself. You fell all by yourself and you cry.
no,
You didn't cry?
no,
Cho-cho-cho?
no.
You're strong.
Yeah.
Good job. And Metrius put this on it? But
Yes.
you said, Mama, it hurt.
Mama, too.
Alright, it soon feel better,
Mama?
okay? Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna tell them that Sandrine put it. Sandrine put it.
Sandrine put something on his foot. So
C'est pas ça.
it's called band-aid in English.
It's a bandit.
Right. Okay, you guys. Thailand is on because baby's coming home late today. So we are not going to wait on him to open this package. We have mail. One big one. And I know who this is coming from. This is coming from one of our
Mama.
Jamaicans. Yes, Tyler.
I said shoes.
It's okay, it's okay. It's coming from one of our Jamaicans living in the USA that watches our YouTube channel. And she also follows on Instagram. You guys, if you don't follow me on Instagram, the link is down below in the description box. Go and follow me on Instagram right now because I post a lot of pictures on Instagram. I do a lot of Instagram stories, and when you don't see the vlog, you see something completely different on my Instagram. So go follow me on Instagram and you catch up with just a randomness, really. Anyway, this is from my girl Caddy.
Mama.
Ah, you got your nose?
Yes.
You. It's from Caddy and White.
Caddy and White.
Caddy.
Caddy.
Right. So thanks, Caddy, for all the goodies in this package.
Thank you, Addy, for
Caddy.
Caddy for all the goodies in this package.
Alright, let's see what's in here. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
I'm so excited.
What did you say?
I'm so excited.
You're excited?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what's in it. This box is sealed, y'all. Sealed to the gods. Seal. You're gonna take them out, just let Mama open the box properly. This box is sealed to the gods. I can't even open it. Oh my God. This box is so sealed. and it's so stocked. I have to be careful how I'm cutting because I don't want to cut anything that wouldn't be good.
But there's no name. But there's no name.
Okay. Now Tyler gonna take out one by one for Mama. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh, adorable. Tyler, isn't that pretty for baby sister?
Yeah.
It's so cute. Oh my gosh, thank you, Caddy. So adorable. What is this? Okay, let's see. Monogram letter. Okay, don't know exactly what this is used for, but we'll figure it out. All right, what else is in here? We have a Johnson bedtime lotion. The only routine proven to help improve baby sleep. Oh, thanks, Cad. Ah, that's a pacifier string. That's gonna pacifier tie.
Yeah.
Yeah, what else is in there? Give them to Mama. This is so beautiful. I love it. I love the naturalness of it. Ah, set of pacifier.
It's for me. It's for me.
Yes!
Yes, it's for me. It's for me.
Who is this?
Chat.
Oh! Aww.
It's for me.
You're happy?
Yes.
So what do you say?
Thank you.
To who? Thank you, Auntie Caddy.
Thank you, Auntie Gabby, for my little child.
Oh my God, you are so sweet. Look at this. He have all of them like this except Chase and I think Stella. So he's so excited to get his Chase. Oh. Okay. She sent me a pack of wipes. Love it. Ooh, what is this? It's a onesie. Love it. 3 months onesie for baby girl. Oh my God. Oh, isn't this cute?
Yes.
It is so adorable. I'm in love. Oh, and it's for newborn. Oh my God, my heart can't take it. Oh, jeez. Oh, look at this cute little sweater. And the material feels so good. Give me another one. Can you stop this box? Jeez. And that's another onesie. I love it. Oh, it's an outfit. This is the pants to go with this. So cute. I love it. Give me another one. Just one. Just any one. No, give me the clothes first. Ah, that's a shorts. So cute. Let's see what this one is. Ah, it's a mommy honey bunny. That's a onesie. You like it?
Mommy.
Mommy's honey bunny. Like you?
Yeah.
This one.
Honey like me.
Yeah, this one says Little Miss Hop. So cute. I love it. Give me another one. Give me all these first time. One, just one. Oh, look at this little 6-month top. I love it.
I'm gonna put it in my bed.
Oh my gosh. Thank you, Caddy. We soon go put it in your bed. Oh. Look at this, the bunny outfit. Look, she have a bunny on her bottom. It's so adorable. I see Caddy's into bunny. I love it. Oh, this first. Mommy's nature. Okay, what is this? This is decor. It's balloons and Okay, I'm gonna have to open this to see what it is. Oh, baby shower decor. Well, I'm not having a baby shower caddy, but thank you. I appreciate it. Appreciate it lots. This is my baby shower right now.
Look.
Everything that you guys sending.
No, it's me.
Yeah, but you have to take them up. Give me. This one is a bunny onesie. I can see that Caddy's into bunny and I love it. Oh, look at this little bunny. You like it?
Yeah.
For baby sister, this one. I love it. So cute. Come, give me another one. You just love your chase, huh?
Yeah. There.
Ah, look at this like a bunny outfit. Caddy is bunnying out my girl. I love it. Thanks, Cad. I love everything. Give me the last one. You're giving me paper? Ah, look at this one.
Give Mama.
She's bunny out. Okay, so that's everything from my girl Caddy. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I love every single piece. I appreciate it. And from this video, Tyler reaction seeing his chase was the best. Say thank you, Auntie Caddy.
Thank you, Auntie Caddy. Now I have rubber and chain.
Right. You're happy?
Yeah.
You're excited?
Yes, I need more puppetry. More puppetry.
Alright, you guys, so there you go. That's everything for this little unboxing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.
Bye guys. Bye 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 bye
You happy
bye
with
bye
your
bye.
chase?
Yes, bye bye.